Okay, everybody, Robert here in Revit Training, and we finished our site plan. Just briefly here, I want to show this in shaded view, and we've got our grass and our roads and our driveways here, just very generic looking here. So what I'm going to do, I want to show you how to place site elements here. So I'm going to go back into our hidden line view so we can see this. Now this is our 3D view. Now let's go to our site plan view. And now at this point we've got this background here. We can get rid of this. So let's go into our Manage tab and Manage Images, and we'll go here and we'll delete this now. We don't need it anymore. And we'll go OK there and OK. So now we have our site plan with all our grass in it. So what I want to do now, I want to go back into hidden lines so we can see things. And we want to add some site elements. So here to do that, we go into site and massing, and we have site components. And here's a tree here, a 25-foot tree. I'll just drop it right about here, or wherever he would have trees in his site. Now I guess he built this house, and he had to probably go out and buy these trees. So now we've just got these trees already in the project. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to insert trees. You go to Insert, you go to Load Family here, and then we can go up. I'm going to go up a step, and we've got all of our different families. But here we can go into Planning, and we have our trees and shrubs. So let's go and pick deciduous. I don't know how to pronounce that. That's a tree there, and we'll place that here. Okay, that's already there. And then it gives us all our different types. So once we put a tree in, we've got all these different types to choose from and different heights. So let's go, we've got a 40-foot tree here. Let's put this one back here and one here. And I don't know how you would want these trees, but these are probably wouldn't be that big. So I want to cancel that. And let's pick another one. Let's go with here we can do this from site and massing component. And there's our trees, and then we can select a different type. So let's go with a 10-foot gray birch here. You can probably have these like this and like this. I don't know, this is up to you how you want to do this. And then maybe some bushes here. I don't know. But I'm going to leave that there because I don't know how you want to do this. You can really get really creative with this landscape. So Revit allows you to do landscape. So let's have a look at this in a 3D view. Okay, so that's what we're looking like here in our 3D view of all of his landscape. Okay, let's go and back into our site and let's do a few shrubbery, and we'll leave it there. So we can go in and Insert, Load Family here, and shrub. So let's pick a shrub here. Go OK, open. And then I'll go back here in the architecture component, place component, and there's our shrub. So let's maybe go here, here, and here. Something to that effect. Okay, now, so there's our site. Just wanted to get our site done because we're going to concentrate on the inside of our house. So I'm going to go back into my 3D view, and there's our house. And now let's have a quick look at this in realistic or shaded view. Now let's have a look in realistic. Okay, now I'm going to try to do one quick thing here. And we'll go back to our site plan here. And now we're going to do a camera view. So let's go camera, and I want to say I'm standing right here, and we'll take this photograph right there, and there's our photograph. And so now I'm going to do a quick render of this. Let me see. Let's go with. You can render this also in the cloud, but I want to do a quick render. Now you can do these renderings and you can get very high quality stuff here. But for this, I'm going to just keep it really simple. If I can find it, there's my render. And I'm going to make this a draft so I can get through it rather quickly. So I've got these different qualities. I got medium, high, best. So what I'm going to do a draft, and I want to do exterior sun, and then I want a few clouds here. So I'm going to hit this button here. Hopefully it won't take so long. You can render in the cloud as well, and that makes really nice renderings. Comes in photorealistic. I probably should have paused this because yeah, it's going to take two. Okay, there it is. See, this is just a draft rendering I'm doing. So there you go. So that's what happens when you do a render. This is a draft. Imagine what a high quality would be. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you a few things with our site plan. And so this is a draft of our house and photorealistic rendering. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll get in the inside and do some interior work. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.